Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you yet another amazing and simple recipe of Tikhat Puris. They come out so well, super soft and yet so delicious. You can have them with some raita or even with some tea or coffee. They taste very delicious and so easy to make. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Tikhat Puris. Here are some basic ingredients that we are going to use. So in a big mixing bowl, take cup and a half of wheat flour. Next add some hing, about a pinch, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, it's not too spicy, half teaspoon of carom seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of kasuri methi, it definitely adds an amazing flavor. Crush it a bit like that and then add, and some salt to taste. I've added about a teaspoon. Just give it a quick mix like this, and now we are going to make a soft dough. So with some warm water, start kneading. This Tikhat Puri is like a nice snack that you can have, in the afternoon tea time, or you can also enjoy it with some, potato bhaji. It's amazing. The dough looks good now, it's nice and soft. So now I'm just simply going to add a teaspoon of oil, just grease it with some oil like that, and I'm going to let it rest for some time. So cover it and let it rest for about 15 minutes or so. After about 15 minutes, we are going to start making the Tikhat Puris. Take a small lemon-sized dough ball like this, and we are going to roll these. So you can either use oil, I'm using the flour. Dip it in the dry flour and then start rolling it like this. Be very gentle. We want to have even thickness for the puri. It looks good. And in the interim, I had also kept this oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, drop the rolled puri. Fry the Tikhat puris on a medium to medium high flame, and then once it kind of comes to the top, just flip it and start pressing it against the oil to let it puff up. Look at that, it has started to puff up, and making sure that it completely puff up, you can turn it over one more time, and the Tikhat Puri is ready. Let's take it out. You can use some tissue paper to drain the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining Tikhat Puris. These Tikhat Puris can also serve as a great kids lunchbox item as well. Just give some tomato ketchup with these and it's good. Enjoy these garma garam Tikhat Puris with some hot tea or coffee for your afternoon snack, or even with your breakfast. They taste simply delicious and get done in less than half an hour. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.